In this video, we are going to discuss about link state advertisements and the types of link state advertisements which are performed by the routers. You see here, the fundamental building blocks of Ospf are the link state advertisements that are sent to the other routers, to every router or other routers to advertise links and their state information. That means that the Ospf protocol sends the link state advertisements from one router to other router to know the establishments of links and their states and how they exist. So you see the types here. So the type 1 is router LSA. The router link state advertisement is nothing but each router in the area sends this information or announce it's in presence of the list of the links which they are using and also about the router in the network along with the metrics which they use. And also these LSAs do not cross the boundary of an area. So if there is an area and inside the area only they advertise about this LSAs. Coming to the other one, the type 2 is network LSA. So the designated router in a multi-access network sends out this LSA. So this LSA is sent out by the designated router in the multi-access environment, and it contains of the list of routers that are present in the network segment. So this information about the network LSA, which is having the information about the networks in the network segments and the list of the networks available. So these LSAs also does not cross the area. Coming to the third one, which is summary LSA. So the ABR, which is the border router, so takes the information learned from one area. So one area information will take and will summarize optionally and sends out to the another area. So this border router will take the information of one area details and will be sending out to the other area, and optionally it will summarize the information. So coming to the type 4 is ASBR, which is autonomous system border router, and this originate external routes. That means it will redistribute the routes and send them throughout the network. And in the same way, the fifth one is external LSA. The external LSA or external link state advertisement list route redistributed into the Ospf and from another Ospf process. That means one Ospf process will be redistributing the routes to one Ospf process, and this information is advertised by using external LSAs. And also this external LSA is very useful because it is a communication between one Ospf process protocol and other Ospf process protocol, and this is all about the link state advertisements and their types.